Hello, I'm going to be showing you how I made my little sister Atom syringe from the Bioshock series. The materials I used will be listed on the screen. It was a gas pump, small baby bottle, red LEDs, various wooden dowels, and a PVC pressure cap. I drew this to show you what is going to be used where. Starting off, I'm going to be sanding the baby bottles because mine came with these printed designs. Then I just added some Mod Podge and paint to paint the inside of it and later paint the outside of it too. I then stripped this fuel pump that I got for $20 off of Amazon. You can search for vintage fuel pumps off of eBay which are more accurate to the game, but they are more expensive than this more modern looking one. Then I just led the LEDs through the pump and had to drill a hole into the cap for them to go through to sit into the bottle. And then here I'm just making sure that the bottle is going to fit on the cap. And then after that I'm just hot gluing some pieces together to connect the bottle to the pump itself. My little sister is actually helping me here since this is going to be her cosplay with me doing Big Sister. With Velcro, the battery pack is just going to be on the back of the pump. And now I just covered everything that I don't want to be painted with masking tape to protect it from the spray paint. And after a cheesy transition, this is what we're going to be left with. I just added the PVC pressure cap to the bottom of it to hide the wires. And then to pretty much finish it off, I just dry brushed it and aged it as I saw fit. For the needle, I just used a wooden dowel that I cut at the angle of how long I want it to be, and then the bottom piece is essentially a cork that goes into the petrol pump. And this is the finished product. I just wanted to show you how I made it since it was a relatively simple project for any Bioshock fan or little sister cosplayer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.